I'm Tyler Willis. I'm the Rheem commercial sales engineer based out of Atlanta for the state of Georgia. The rooftop units that they've installed here at the brewery, by using the Rheem Renaissance platform with state-of-the-art components such as variable frequency drives, our VelociFin patented industry-changing heat exchanger, top-of-the-line compressor, state-of-the-art technology, efficiency is going to be paramount gain that they're going to see in helping save them money so that they can reinvest it into the company itself. A cornerstone of the Rheem Commercial Air product is our 360+1 service features. The units on the roof here are accessible from all sides, which is fantastic. You don't always get that. They'll be able to go up, pull the panels off, check out all the control wiring in the same cabinet. There's a quick change filter rack built into the unit. They'll be able to quickly change filters, do that once a quarter maintenance that they do, and then also be able to pull out the fan, check the sheaves, check the alignment without having to take the whole assembly out. In a brewery like this where you have such what we call latent loads and moisture in the air, it will be paramount that they're able to actually maintain a certain percent relative humidity in the space, and these units will allow them to do that.
The brew house, in the summer, it's a giant warehouse. It gets really, really hot, and I never felt uncomfortable. I never had a moment where I was like, I feel kind of hot in here. 100% would recommend Rheem for any type of your commercial product.
You have those industrial cooling and heating needs, and then you have the comfort cooling and heating needs as well. They have complete control over each zone.
All the controllers are in my office, so I'm able to control the whole brewery, and I don't think about it. I just come in and I expect it to work, and it does. So I love it.
One of the things we're depending on is Rheem being able to keep our area cool when we're having a wedding upstairs and there's 200 or 300 people up there and there's a lot of glass up there. The sun coming in is going to heat up that room, and we're counting on Rheem, and we're confident that the product's going to do what we need it to do to keep people happy up there, which will keep us happy.